I'm a volunteer at Green Calgary. We're here today at the Power of Nature workshop, where kids are going to learn about energy and electricity, where it comes from, how it's used in their homes. We have a bunch of interactive stations here for the kids to get some hands-on learning.
Today they're going to be learning about electricity, where it comes from, how it's generated, energy sources, and talking a little bit about how they can help use less electricity at home or at school.
All the stations here for the kids to learn by doing, and it really reminds me of being hands-on at the Science Center, and I've seen kids be really passionate about learning in that type of format. So really happy to do this here today with Green Calgary.
The Calgary Central Library today, and we are participating in a series of workshops with Green Calgary. They're looking at things like green energy sources, climate change, and just getting a better understanding as to how electricity and energy plays a role in our daily lives. This isn't necessarily part of a curriculum in science per se, but I think it's really important that students are in the know about where their energy sources come from, how to use them appropriately, as well as how to manage them, because a lot of these forms of energy are not always renewable and they cost money, and students need to understand these realities from a young age so that when they get older they can apply these to their own daily adult lives and perhaps pass them on to their own children.